Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com, coming to you from my RV on Norris Lake in Tennessee. Totally enjoy living on the lake right now. It's so exciting to be able to live the life that we've chosen for us. Hey, today what I want to do is talk to you about how to post on social media to make sales. Right? If you're in business, that's what you're trying to do. And if you're using social media, there's a right way and a wrong way. But hang on, before I get to that, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below and then go hit that little bell. And what you're going to do is you're going to get notifications every time I put up a video. And I can help you grow your business. I guarantee it. I give simple tips that'll help you build your business. So today what I want to talk to you is how to post on social media to make sales. Believe me, there's a right way and a wrong way. And I know you see many people doing it the wrong way. One, people don't come to social media to be sold. They really don't. They want to make a connection. They want to build personal relationships. And then there's this statement, facts tell, stories sell. And storytelling is becoming an amazing way, and I think you're seeing it more and more if you're paying attention, especially on Facebook and other social media products. Storytelling is becoming huge in the industry, and some people are extremely good at it. In fact, what I'm doing now, I'm rereading this book, is probably the third time I'm going through it, is Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. He talks about storytelling. And it's really pretty cool because there's definitely a way to do it. I'm not going to go through that today. I'm just going to talk to you about storytelling, one of the great ways to build a response on social media. Because people come to social media, they don't want to be sold anything. So by telling stories, see, there's things that happen when you start telling it, when you get good at telling stories. One, you create curiosity. Right? People want to know. They get feeling of this story. What is going to happen next? You create emotion. Right? And a lot of network marketers go, man, my upline lied to me. They said that if I made a list of 100 people and talked to this many people, I was going to get rich. They didn't tell me about online marketing. That's kind of telling a story in a much different way. So, again, what you want to do is create curiosity in your stories. You want to build on emotion. And what happens, people start paying attention to what's going on and start going with your flow. Right? So, as you're telling your story, and I suggest getting that book, Expert Secrets. It's a great, great book. Just build. Right? Watch a great movie and watch the storytelling. They have a character, a plot line, a villain, and then some kind of rewards. And that's kind of the steps. There's a 5-step process to storytelling. Now, the next one, how to post on social media. Facebook algorithms change all the time. And a lot of people are talking about. One is, I do pay attention to it, but the biggest thing, no links. You know, if you put a link on there, what happens? Facebook sees that. And they don't let many people see that post because they do not want people leaving Facebook. So what you want to do is when you create your post or you create your story, don't put a link in it, but have a call to action to have them make a comment to you on Messenger. Now, I guess Facebook's also saying if you say comment below, they're starting to read that too. So just say, hey, hit me up with a message or send me a PM and we'll connect and talk later from that. That's all you got to do is just ask people what to contact you, but no links. The next one, I'm big into photos. Lifestyle photos really sell. Really tell different stories to people. People are watching you. And through your lifestyle photos, you can create a little curiosity. You could put in some quotes. You can do a lot of different things about how you talk about your business, but it's lifestyle photos. Remember, you are branding you. Now the biggest one, and I know you probably heard this from many people, is called Facebook Lives. You know, if you want to do posts that sell, go on Facebook Lives. Let people see you. Let people see who you really are to help build their business. Right? You aren't going to connect with everybody in the world, but I tell you what, if you are really out to serve people, and that's really what you want to do, is you want to help people, if people see that in Facebook Lives. So there you go. Those are social media posts that will help you sell. Now, I got a great free PDF for you. Right? I think the biggest challenge for most people is knowing what to do every day to build their business. So I put together a free PDF called the 6 Daily Steps, but it's actually a little bit more than that because I actually have a checklist of things you should be doing daily to build your business and how you can go about those. I'll put the link in the description below. So go grab your free PDF. It's at marknelsononline.com/6 daily steps, marknelsononline.com/6 daily steps, or look in this description below, grab that free PDF, and let's make this business rock for you. You all take care. Bye.